What's up, my home seller clients? It's Rex, and in this video I want to talk to you about the importance of not accepting your offer, the first one, right away. If you're interested in trying to figure out what I'm talking about there, stick around. So in normal home selling situations with other realtors, quite honestly, typically the buyers will show up whenever, and it takes a long time, and then finally you get an offer, right? Now, maybe during that process, you've been lowering your price, trying to meet the market, or maybe the market's been coming up to meet your price or whatever, or maybe just the right buyers finally show up. Either way, you finally have an offer. And now what happens typically, now this is not our situation, because typically we're gonna sell homes in a compressed, market manner with all the buyers and a bunch of people competing against each other. But if you're selling a home in the traditional manner, this is what happens sometimes. Now you finally get an offer on the property, and you're excited, and the agent's excited, and then you immediately respond to the offer and come back and they maybe accept it or whatever. But I will typically not do that or recommend that right away. I will always try to put that buyer off a little bit. So the agent of the buyer is always in a hurry to get the house off the market as well, because they don't want other buyers coming in and competing against their buyers if they can avoid it. But I want other buyers coming in and competing against their buyers if I can encourage it. So if you're in a moment of the market for whatever reason, maybe some home was really amazing, lower price than yours, nearby, and that was your number one competition, and this one's gone off the market, and now your home is the best one on the market, then there may be other buyers that are also going to be competing against that buyer in another day or two and making their offers on the property, and you might see more activity on the property than you had before. So typically I'm going to call the agent after they submit the offer and say, the seller is expecting other offers on the property like today or tomorrow, and they really want to review all the other offers on it, which totally makes sense to that agent and those buyers, because if they love the property, then they know other people are going to love the property too. And they're going to stick around. It's not like they're going to be like, well, forget it, cancel my offer. And if they do that, then they weren't the real buyer for your house anyhow. If they're the real buyer, they're going to stick with it. Okay, but please respond to us as quickly as possible, or we understand, or be nice about it because they want to get the house, right? So we're going to put it off, a day or two. I'm going to say, I'm going to meet with the seller on Tuesday, and we're going to review the offers that come in, and we'll respond to you then. So that's it. You just really, because you want more buyers to be competing against each other. And if you're that moment in the market when your property is super hot, you want to be, just give it a few days, give it a day or two, or 3 at the most probably, but you want to give it, at least 1 or 2 days to gather more offers if you can and get those buyers competing against each other. Well, that's it for this super quick video, but just want to let you know it's important to give yourself a couple of days if you start getting offers. If you have any questions or you're ready to sell your house, give us a call. Other than that, we'll see you at your house.